Here you have volume 1 and volume 2 of my tune book. The first one's called Trad Tunes You Probably Don't Know Yet. The second one is called Some Other Trad Tunes You Probably Don't Know Yet. I figured a cheeky title is appropriate. The first two tunes, Grit's Jig and Ellen's Jig, were played on Parliament Hill, on the carillon, which are the bells inside the Peace Tower. And the third tune that was performed is called From Away. I've also included different transpositions so that if in the original key in F, it's not appropriate, whether you're playing a flute that doesn't have keys, or if you're just perhaps wanting to have it be more accessible in a pub session, or if it just works better with the music, I've included it in the key of G. Throughout the book, you can see that it's full color. There are photos throughout, stories accompanying every tune, and a lot of good music to find in this book. The second book is called Some Other Trad Tunes You Probably Don't Know Yet. It's a similar format with full color photos and stories accompanying everything. You'll see more tunes here, some energetic tunes, still all in the same format, jigs and reels and whatnot. Really great chance to mix and match some tunes. These four I play as a set, starting with the Vet, then Moore and McGregor, then the Millstream, then the Carillonneur. A great way to make a driving Celtic set, or play some beautiful waltz, for example, like the Monarch's Return.